If you've got a video file that suddenly won't play, maybe it froze halfway through recording, the download got interrupted, or your phone died mid-transfer, don't panic and don't go buying expensive recovery software just yet, because there's a good chance the free media player already sitting on your computer can fix it. I'm talking about VLC, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use its hidden repair tricks to bring a broken video back to life. Before we do anything, make a copy of the corrupted file first and work on that copy, not the original, because if something goes wrong during the repair process, you don't want to lose the only version you had. Once you've got that safety copy sitting somewhere safe, open up VLC and let's start with the trick that works specifically for AVI files, since VLC actually has a built-in auto repair feature just for that format. If your video isn't already in AVI, go into File Explorer, right-click on it, choose Rename, and change the file extension to .avi, even if it was originally an MP4 or an MOV. It sounds strange to just rename it like that, but it tricks VLC into treating it as an AVI container so its repair tool kicks in. Now, open VLC, click on Tools at the top, then Preferences, and in the window that pops up, switch over to the Input and Codecs tab. Look for an option called Damaged or Incomplete AVI File and change the drop-down next to it to Always Fix, then hit Save at the bottom. Now, open your renamed file inside VLC, and it will automatically attempt to detect and repair the corruption as it loads. If it plays through cleanly, you're basically done, and I'd recommend converting it back to a stable format afterwards so you've got a properly saved working copy. Now, if your file is an MP4, MOV, or MKV, and that rename trick didn't do the job, there's a second method worth trying, and this one uses VLC's transcoding function to essentially rebuild the file in a new container without touching the actual video data inside it. A lot of corruption issues aren't actually damage to the footage itself, they're just a broken or mismatched header, so repackaging the file can solve the problem entirely. To do this, open VLC, click on Media at the top, then choose Convert or Save. Click Add and select your corrupted video file, then hit the Convert or Save button at the bottom. In the box that appears, choose a profile, something like Video H.264 plus MP3 MP4 is a safe, widely compatible choice, pick a destination folder and file name for the new version, and then click Start. VLC will process the file and spit out a freshly packaged copy, and there's a genuinely good chance that new file will play perfectly even though the original wouldn't. Now, if neither of those gets your video playing, there are a couple of smaller tweaks worth trying before you give up on VLC entirely. Go back into Tools, Preferences, and try bumping up the file caching values under the Input and Codecs section, since a low cache setting can cause playback stuttering or failures on files with minor damage, especially if they're being read off a slower drive. It's also worth trying to change your video output setting under the Video tab in Preferences, since sometimes swapping between DirectX, OpenGL, or whichever output your system offers can resolve playback issues that look like corruption but are actually just a rendering conflict on your end. I'll be honest with you though, VLC's repair tools are designed for minor surface-level corruption, things like a bad header, an interrupted write, or a mismatched container. If the actual video data itself is seriously damaged, say from a corrupted memory card or a drive with bad sectors, VLC likely won't be able to bring it back. And at that point, you're looking at a dedicated video repair tool built specifically for deeper recovery work. But for the vast majority of everyday corruption, an interrupted download, a phone that died while saving a clip, a transfer that got cut short, these VLC tricks fix the problem more often than you'd expect, and they cost you absolutely nothing. So, next time a video won't open, don't assume it's gone for good. Try the AVI rename trick, try transcoding it into a fresh MP4, and there's a real chance you'll get your footage back in just a couple of minutes. If this helped you save a video you thought was lost, give the video a like, subscribe for more practical tech fixes like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.